How to draw on Google Docs mobile. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So open a docs, then tap on new document. As you can see, there are no option of using a drawing marker or a drawing pen in your web version. So you cannot actually draw on Google Docs mobile in this mobile version, but you can use it in your web version only. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.